Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. This recipe is highly requested. I posted this recipe on Facebook and Instagram and you guys wanted me to show you what kind of soup this was. This is scallop and shrimp soup. So if you want to see how me turn up this one here, loud, come on and let's go now.
Jamaican, here comes the rude boy Jamaican.
Alright guys, let's get right into it. I have some scallop there and shrimp, fresh from the fish market. That is what you want to use for this recipe. We're going to clean this up nice and clean before we put it inside of the soup. Now, what am I going to be using for this recipe? You're going to need some peas, kidney beans only. You're going to need kidney beans for this recipe. If you don't like kidney beans, you probably can't use another bean, but this is the one that I use. Now, if you're going to use the one in the can, you're going to make sure that you strain it off, wash off that red liquid off of it. You don't need to have nothing red in this soup because you're going to kill my soup. Also, you're going to need a can of cream corn, right? Don't use a regular canned corn. Use the cream of corn as it's called. So you're going to need a can of that. You're going to need garlic, salt, Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, cornstarch. 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. And depending on how much soup you're going to make, you might need a little bit more or less. Alright? Now to that, I'm also going to add my mustard flour. That is 2 tablespoons of mustard flour. As far as your vegetables go, you need scallion. I have 1 jalapeno pepper. That's what I'm using. I don't want this thing spicy, so I'm going to put my jalapeno pepper to it. Parsley, chopped onion, chopped celery, some thyme, and 1 large potato chopped in cube size. So that is what this recipe calls for. Come on and let's get started. Okay guys, we are moving on to our very first step. Now the first thing you want to do is add your potatoes in. Your thyme, celeries, onions, and then you're going to put those kidney beans in. Now you want to go ahead and flavor it up. So you're going to add your all-purpose seasoning, the Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, garlic, salt, black pepper. Okay guys, I'm going to cover this up and I'm going to come back in 15 minutes and we'll move on to our next step. Okay guys, let's move on to our next step. Okay guys, that's your shrimp and your scallop right there, and you want to make sure, say, you wash your shrimp and you clean it out really good. You take off them shells off of it and you clean it thoroughly, just like that, before you put it into your soup. Okay, wash it really good with vinegar and lemon juice, and the same thing with your scallops. Okay guys, so my soup has been cooking for 15 minutes. You want to go ahead and add your corn in, and that is your cream of corn. Now you want to go ahead and put your seafood in. Your shrimp and your scallop goes in next. Scallion goes in, and my parsley, jalapeno pepper. Mix that in. Now guys, this is the time when you go ahead and you give it your taste test to know if you need any more salt or anything like that. Okay, so taste it right now and see if you need anything, and then you go ahead, you cover this up 5 minutes. I want it to come back to a full boil, and within a few minutes I'll come back and I'll add the rest of my ingredients in. Okay guys, now that my soup has come to a full boil, just like that. That's exactly how I want it to be. Look at that. That looks so good already, and it's not even done yet. All right, so now what I'm going to do now with your mixture, which is your cornstarch and your mustard flour, you're going to pour it in slowly into the soup. Make sure that your fire is on low to medium heat at this step. And you just want to go ahead and just pour this in and stir. So that way you get no lumps. But in my soup, I use all of it in mine. So that is what that looks like. That is exactly how you want it to be looking. It's supposed to be looking creamy, just like that. Look at that, guys. Look how yummy that looks. This soup is so delicious, guys. You are going to fall in love with this soup. Oh my God, it's so good. All right, 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll meet you back here. Okay, guys, so my soup is finished. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Soup not getting no better than this, you know? Okay. There you have it, guys. Nice, easy, and simple. Soup not get no better than that. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.